Think brains come only in humans. Meet the octopus, the ocean's ultimate problem solver. Octopuses are incredible creatures with 3 hearts, blue blood, and amazing intelligence. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even use tools to hide or protect themselves. Their soft bodies allow them to squeeze into tiny spaces, making them masters of escape. And their camouflage, unbelievable. Octopuses can change color, texture, and pattern almost instantly to blend into their surroundings or confuse predators. Some species are even playful, interacting with objects in their tanks or observing divers curiously, showing personality and awareness rarely seen in other animals.